Hello, fellow Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is August 8th. That means there are 139 days left until Christmas. All right, hopefully you've been tuning in all week. We're trying to solve a Christmas mystery, and today we're trying to think of a place that you hear but don't see or touch. It's always near. I kept thinking about that all day. Wind? Maybe. Music? But then it hit me. Not just any music. Christmas music. Think about it. Even in the middle of summer, all it takes is one song, and suddenly you're there. December. Lights, cold air, that feeling. So I went to the one place I knew I'd find it. My podcast setup. Headphones are on, I scrolled, then I hit play on a Christmas track, and as the music started, I heard something underneath it. A faint whisper. I rewound it. I listened again, and there it was. A message hidden in the sound. The mystery ends where it began. Look to the yard and understand. The yard? Back to the beginning. So tomorrow, we're going to solve this mystery. Remember, the next time you hear my voice in this podcast, we'll all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.